Thanksgiving is a holiday that is mostly associated with what I call the 4 F's. Family, friends, football, and of course the food. Now everybody knows the typical modern Thanksgiving dinner. There's the turkey, the gravy, cranberry sauce, sides like mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes, green beans, Brussels sprouts, and the big finale is of course the pie for dessert. But way back in 1621, where they had the so-called first Thanksgiving harvest feast, the food was quite of a different story. Now, according to the history books, back then they served venison, which is cooked deer meat. Sorry about that, Bambi. Cranberries, no cranberry sauce here, folks. Waterfowl, such as geese and quack duck. And then there's greens, squash, beans, corn, turnips, onions. Well, so much food to eat. Now, there's no historical evidence that turkey has been served at that dinner, but if it was, it would probably play as the sidekick, not the main star of the show. In the late 18th century, a string of presidents were trying to make this a national holiday. Now, first Washington gave it a try, and then there was John Adams, James Madison, and well, a few others. Now, in the late 1820s, this holiday also gave attention of an average American citizen. A woman named Sarah J. Hale, the creator of Mary Had a Little Lamb, created a petition and started a campaign to get signatures of everybody in her community. Neighbors, friends, dog catchers, mail carriers, people who work in the grocery store, you name it. And she was trying to send this word out to politicians and presidents as well. Now, she kept this campaign on for years and years until 1863. This got Honest Abe's attention. And then he thought, you know, this holiday might be a good idea. This might encourage unity to the whole USA and might help stop the Civil War that we're having. And so he declared that every last Thursday of November to be officially Thanksgiving Day. This continued until 1941. Thanksgiving was rescheduled to the 4th Thursday of November. And then the average turkey dinner was present. There was turkey, gravy, mashed potatoes, green beans, cranberry sauce. Well, I believe you're getting the picture now. So I say that we should hold a toast to good old Sarah and Abraham Lincoln of making this holiday exist and celebrate what Thanksgiving is all about. Everybody have a happy Turkey Day.